Some of you have been struggling with guilt and shame. Guilt will say, I did something wrong. Shame will say, I am wrong. And minsan di natin alam, paano ko i-eliminate, Pastor? Because people look at me na parang, okay naman ako. Leader ako ng church. Nagsiserve ako sa church. Matagal na ako dito sa church. Pero hindi nila alam, meron akong kasalanan. Meron akong tinatagong kasalanan. And you feel guilty about it. Lagi mo sinasabi sa sarili mo, shame on you, Stephen. Shame on you, Stephen. Because we focus so much on the failure and we forget the future. We forget the future. My advice to you, ibigay mo yung nakaraan mo sa Lord and God will rewrite your future and God will rewrite your story. Ang Diyos natin, pag lumapit ka sa Kanya, hindi Kanya pagtatabo. Wag natin papalabasin yung pinapasok ng Diyos. Wag nating papalabasin yung mga tinanggap ng Panginoon. Because ang acceptance ng church na ito at ang acceptance ng gospel ay hindi performance-based. Ang acceptance ng Lord is to be who God says you